Hello all, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from VSC Silk Sarees. In this video, we are going to see a Jari lined plain handloom Kanchipuram soft silk sarees. We have 10 different colors in this video, so we are going to see all these sarees. Before that, if you are first time watching our channel, please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications whenever we upload fresh collections. So now let's see the sarees. This is the first saree, a beautiful maroon color. With both sides you will get this Jari lined border. So all over the saree it is a single color, it is a plain saree. Next is a very beautiful white color saree. This Jari line comes all over the saree, and in blouse part also you will get this Jari line. The saree length is 6.25 meter, which includes blouse as well. So the full saree, it is a plain saree. With both sides you will get this a small Jari line. So this is a very fast moving collection in our designs. So please do book this saree if you wanna book any of these colors. All these are double wap sarees, premium quality silk. So if you wanna book any of these sarees, do take screenshot and text us in the WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen. So you can simply share the screenshot and book this sarees. It's a very beautiful teal blue color. All are very beautiful colors. All these sarees comes with a SILKMARK certified tag for the purity of original silk. All are purely handloom made, so please don't miss these collections. A very beautiful colors. You can book it from anywhere. We are shipping all over India and we give international shipping as well, so you don't have to worry about it. You can book it from anywhere. We are dispatching on the same day the payment is made. And next is a very beautiful green, leaf green color. So if you have any doubt in the colors, you can contact us, and we do have video call facility as well, so we will show you in the video call and you can confirm the saree after that. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.